welcome back to my channel. My name is Carly Stevens. I'm the author of the young adult fantasy Firian Rising, and this is English Nerd. So I just got home from work, and you can kind of see that that is the case. And my second Lord of the Rings box is here. So I wanted to do an unboxing. Now, if you saw my first unboxing video for the Fellowship of the Ring Lootcrate box, then you know the deal, how Lootcrate went bankrupt apparently, and it took ages and ages for these boxes to come. So I still have like this slight wariness about these boxes, even though there were some items in the first box that were really awesome. Like the mug, the Prancing Pony mug, that was my favorite item for sure in the first box. So let's dive in. So first of all, it's much lighter than the last one. I think it's probably because it doesn't have a mug or anything like that. I'm hoping it has nothing to do with this, like whatever that is. People meddling, but hopefully that's not the case. And they include the, I was gonna say a manifest, like a ship's manifest. What am I, some sort of sea captain? But they have that list of the items that are supposed to come in the box, so I'll find out for sure that I have everything. Okay, opening the box. Oh my gosh, okay, so the inside right away is like big old Balrog face. Okay, let me do this real quick. Let's see what we have here. Alright, so we have Gimli and Legolas socks, kind of like the Gandalf the white, Gandalf the gray socks that came with the first one. I don't know what's with like the mismatched socks, like why isn't it just like Gimli socks or Legolas socks? But let's be honest, Gimli's the better side. I mean, love Legolas and all, but Gimli socks, that's the business. Okay, so I have Gimli socks. Wow, things are toppling here. Alright. I have Cozy Sleep shirt with the hobbits on it. I was half expecting that sticker to say that it glows in the dark or something. Look how sort of yellow and green they are. Maybe it does. Maybe I'll check that out. But it's nice and soft and it'll be perfect for sleeping. Oh, more socks. Frodo and Sam. I mean, I'm not like mad at socks, but I'm good with socks now. Like, we can move on to other items than that. Okay, let's see. Alright, so we have some kind of jewelry box here. Let's find out what that's about. Okay. Ooh, that's pretty. Ooh, okay. So it has the one ring, as you can see there, and it's multiple leather pieces, and it just has a magnet clasp. So yeah, let's see if I can put this on myself. I'm not that graceful or skilled with bracelets because I don't wear them all that often. Oh, that's kind of cool. In the right setting, yeah. Could get into that. And I'm not normally a bracelet wearer, and I still think that's pretty cool. You know, I'll just wear that for the rest of the unboxing video. Okay, what is this? Some kind of... Ooh! It's a banner. Time to see what's going on with this. Alright, you ready for this? Let's find out if you are. Oh, it's so pretty! Look! It's the Rohan banner. Rohan, depending on how you want to pronounce it. Oh, that's cool. I do not know what I'm going to do with that, but I'm going to do something, that's for sure. It's kind of big, but I like that about it. It's like a prop kind of thing. Yay! Okay, I'm going to try to get this back into the shape that it was before. I feel very proud of myself. I did that without too much hassle. Okay, so Rohan banner is a win. I like that. Okay, things are kind of rolling around more in this box. I think they were just looking for having an identical sized box to give, but it wasn't packed like the last box. So I'm gonna check that list here at the end and make sure everything came through. But it's mostly fabric this time around, so maybe that's just kind of how it is. Things settled, and that was that. Is this a scarf? Is this a Middle-earth scarf? If it is, I'm gonna be really happy about it. It is! It's a Middle-earth scarf! Ah! Look! Look how pretty! Oh, how fun! Oh, I like that. I like that very much. Is it upside down? Where you're looking? No, it's okay. It's okay. Yeah. Ooh, Middle-earth scarf! Oh, that's fabulous. I like that a lot. Okay, let's see if it has everything. Okay, so the Friends t-shirt, check. The One Ring bracelet, currently wearing. The Middle-earth tapestry scarf, big fan, yes, it's here. The exclusive for Sam and Frodo socks, yes. Legolas and Gimli socks, yes. Rohan banner, yes. The last thing, which is apparently missing, is a Leaf of Lorien pin. Now, I would normally be very upset by this, because I really like that Leaf of Lorien pin. However, of all the things that could have been missing, that's not the worst thing to go missing, because guess what I have? It's a Leaf of Lorien pin. So I'm sure it looks different, but honestly I'm not too mad at it. The next one, however, better not have any missing items. Yeah, looks very similar, see? Check that out. The detail. Okay, so that was the Worth Fighting for Two Towers Loot Crate Lord of the Rings box unboxing. Okay, so my favorite things, I think, are the scarf, for sure. Big fan of that. I really like the banner, too. Once I figure out where that's going to go, it'll be a crowd pleaser, even if that is a crowd of one. Alright, if you're interested in getting some of this stuff, Loot Crate is where to go, or at least the first place to go. I've seen a lot of similar items on Etsy and places like that, so if you are a Lord of the Rings fanatic, as I am, then those are some places where you can go to get these items. So thanks for sticking with me with this unboxing. There's one more to go. I think it's supposed to come at the beginning of January, so as soon as it comes to me, I will let you know all about what's in there. Alright, bye. Till next Monday.